Eyeliners are must-haves. But looking for a good eyeliner can be hard. So we came up with 5 best drugstore eyeliner 2020 that will give you perfect winged. Let's check them out. The ELF Cosmetics Liquid Eyeliner is our 5th preferred drugstore eyeliner that gives you flawless winged eyes. It comes with fine tip brush that creates easy and precise definition for natural or dramatic high effects. The smudge-proof liner is rich in color, creating a long-lasting defined look. It comes in 3 different shades of black, jet black, midnight, and charcoal. Check some real reviews from the users. How to use. Begin at the inner corner of the eye along the lash line and work outwards. Position brush tip close to the lash roots and in a gentle, fluid movement apply color along the natural curve of your lash line. It's time to rate this drugstore eyeliner. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 4 out of 5. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $3. Our rating for its price is 5 out of 5. The Revlon Color Stay Skinny Liquid Eyeliner will give you smudge-free eyeliner for up to 10 hours. It has superfine 0.1 mm tip that creates the ultimate skinny line. And the brush-like won't give you full control. The long-lasting Color Stay formula won't smudge, smear or fade for all-day wear. The Revlon Color Stay Skinny Liquid Eyeliner is available in 3 shades: Mahogany Flame, Blackout and Navy Shock. Check some real reviews from the users. How to use. With a light touch, apply the liner starting at the inside corner and work outwards. Instead of trying to apply it all in one line, draw several smaller lines. For a winged cat eye, extend line slightly beyond outer corner of eye. It's time to rate this drugstore eyeliner. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 4 out of 5. This eyeliner is ophthalmologist tested to be safe for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $6. Our rating for its price is 5 out of 5. The Maybelline New York Ultra Liner is our 3rd favorite drugstore eyeliner that creates a precise line for expert glam appeal. This eyeliner comes with precision brush that delivers glossy color and waterproof wear. The product allows for a controlled and continuous flow, without skipping and smearing all day long. Check some real reviews from the users. How to use. Start at the inner corner of lid and line a long lash line following the contour of your eye. It's time to rate this drugstore eyeliner. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 4 out of 5. This eyeliner is perfect if you love glossy black color. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at below $6. Our rating for its price is 5 out of 5. The L'Oréal Paris Infallible Super Slim Liquid Eyeliner helps you to create the perfect smudge-free eyeliner you want. It comes with ultra-fine felt tip and its long wear eyeliner glides on smoothly with continuous and even flow. This eyeliner is skip-proof, drag-proof and smudge-proof, also stays for up to 12 hours. The L'Oréal Paris Infallible Super Slim Liquid Eyeliner gives you thin to thick flawless clean lines from a classic to a dramatic look. It comes in 3 shades, black, brown and grey. Let's check some reviews from Amazon. How to use. Apply along the top and bottom lash line beginning in the inner corner of the eye and working outward. It's time to rate this eyeliner. As we mentioned earlier, the L'Oréal Paris Infallible Super Slim Liquid Eyeliner is one of the reviewed drugstore eyeliner. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 5 out of 5. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $7. Our rating for its price is 5 out of 5. The NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner is our first preferred drugstore eyeliner that will give you perfect long-lasting cat eye look. It has a slender and supple felt brush tip that is intensely pigmented. The waterproof eyeliner pen lets you achieve precise, seamless, black liquid lines effortlessly. You can also control the thickness of your lines by pressing down just a touch. The NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner is certified and acknowledged by PETA as a cruelty-free brand. Let's check some reviews. How to use. For a super epic winged out eyeliner look, start with the wings and then connect the lines as you move towards the inner corners of your eyes. Push on the felt tip slightly harder to achieve thicker lines. It's time to rate this liquid eyeliner. As we mentioned earlier, this eyeliner is one of the highest-selling drugstore eyeliner. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 5 out of 5. This eyeliner gives you a perfect winged eyes. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $7. Our rating for its price is 5 out of 5. So these are our top picks for drugstore eyeliner. We have selected all these products based on users' response and recommendations. Outcomes and experience may vary from one person to another.